Why, hello, Tasha Poo, leading the way, as you can see. Pretty house there, pretty house there, pretty house there. And the mighty river. And we are on a trail called the Trolley Trail, Trolley, which is a wonderful trail actually. I like it a lot. There's the river. And there's a bike trail right beyond the river. And of course Tay loves it too. She loves being on little soft trails, especially next to the sound of the nice river. People's homes are adjacent to the trail. Oh, that's an interesting tree. It's about to fall over, it looks like. It's rotted. There's some cute homes. I hear kids. Chinchillas! That's an interesting home. So, people here. Ooh, that's a pretty fireplace. That's an old stone fireplace. Very old. Well, some of these homes are, what, about 150 years old. So, even older than Irvin's home. Oh, here's a beautiful view of the river as it curves down. Okay. Very fast moving, not deep because it's spread out really wide. It's not deep because, as you can see, the ripples. Oh, what a pretty yellow flower right there. Yeah, if you don't see ripples and it's flat, usually indicative of depth. But this river is just very wide, very fast moving. Correctamundo Tepu. That's a really cute house with 3 little bird houses in front of it. That's so cute. So we're at Chief Charles Ames Park. We're going to pass that on. We're going to come down here to the next park. River again, off to the right. Little Miss leading the way. Little homes right here. That's the front of the home. A very small home. And so, like my grandparents' home, they've obviously extended it in the back, where the backyard is. They have built onto their home. I love this river. So there it is. There's the mighty river. The mighty, mighty river. And more homes off to the left. A little subdivision of homes. So we just walk, oh, what, an hour or so, Tay? Kind of, yeah, we just get some fresh air, and I need to get on my legs because, you know, I've been driving all afternoon, so I kind of need some stretches and exercises and things like that. But I'm just giving you an idea of the quite niceness of this trail. There's another really cute home. I'll just pause. You can see that home. There's the back of a home. Okay, what are we coming across now? Bathrooms. Alright, let's go. I have my trusty Adidas on, which I really like, by the way. Okay, here we go. Ooh, deep river here. Okay, so that's where the path goes. Of course, I'm not going to video. Are you looking at the river, Tepu? So look at how beautiful that river is. Beautiful. I don't know, rivers to me are, I like rivers. And Tepu, of course, is the same way. She loves rivers too. So this is quite high. We are, what are we, Tay? About 100 feet up at least. And then the trail goes down, somewhat down to the river, but not really. Still up high. And along the edge is where the current really is booking it. And so I'm going to turn the video off. I just, oh, how that sheeting water over there is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Tepu, what are you always sniffing for? Tay, quit sniffing. Come on now. I don't know what she's doing. Sniffing away. Alrighty. I guess you can guess what river this is. Tough guess, huh? Okay. Another homes, old homes. Alright. We shall see you later. That's a pretty home. Tay, can you sign out? Can you sign out, Tay? Of course she can't sign out. She's got to get involved with some other dog. All right. Adios, amigo. Tay, you want to say bye-bye? You want to say bye-bye to the camera? Yeah?